We continue now at the top of Daf Kuf Chaf Aleph on Beis Meseches Pesachim. This is Pesachim Daf 121b. Gemara says, Rabbi Simloi iklo lepidyon haben. Rabbi Simloi went to a pidyon haben. Bo minei, they asked him the following question. Pshita, it's obvious. Al pidyon haben asher kedishanu b'mitzvosav v'tzivanu al pidyon haben avi haben mevarich. When it comes to pidyon haben, in terms of the bracha of v'tzivanu al pidyon haben, that's certainly made by the father of the son. But Baruch Shechayanu v'kiyimanu v'giyanu lazman hazeh. But what about the bracha of Shechayanu? Kohen mevarich or Avi haben mevarich? Does the Kohen make that bracha, or does the father of the child make that bracha? Kohen mevarich to kamati hanoah liyodeh. On the one hand, you could say the Kohen should make that bracha because he's getting the benefit. He's the one that's going to be receiving the money for this pidyon haben. O Avi haben mevarich, or do we say the father of the child should make the bracha to kavod mitzvah because he's doing a mitzvah? Lo have biyada, he didn't know the answer. Asa shoel be midrasha, he went to ask in the Beis Medrash. Amru lei, they said to him, Avi haben mevarich shtayim, the father of the child makes both brachas. V'hilchasa, and the halacha is Avi haben mevarich shtayim, the father of the son makes both brachas. Hadron aloch arvei pesachim, we will return to you arvei pesachim. Uslik aloch Meseches Pesachim, and we have concluded Meseches Pesachim. If you're enjoying this channel and these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and take a look at the description box below to see how you can support this channel.